Hi guys, it's Klara here. I'm the in-house makeup artist at Klara Cosmetics, and today we have a new product launch and I'm so excited. It's the only thing we're missing in Klara Cosmetics. So we are launching a range of lashes. So there's 4 styles. I can't wait to show you guys all the different looks you could create. So the styles we have are Muse, Baby Doll, Siren, and Vixen. So these lashes are for all makeup lovers, any girl that wants to look glamorous, extra, basically me, anyone in Klara Cosmetics. So today I'm going to go in with Vixen. This is one of the 4 styles. This is my favorite because it has that wispy look and it still shows off your eyeshadow, if you could see. So it has little gaps in between so it doesn't cover your entire eye. Because today I have some eyeshadow on, so I want to still see the eyeshadow. There are 2 safe ways of removing these lashes. The number 1 way is to put your finger down and push it down like this, and it comes right off. Never use tweezers to remove it. And then the second way is to just bend the packaging backwards and then you can pull it straight off like this. So before we apply our lashes, there's a few things we need. First of all, we need our little compact mirror so we could see how to apply our lashes. Second, we need glue. Use any lash glue. Third, you need a tweezer, or you can use your fingers, and an eyelash curler, just so your eyelashes blend in with the lashes. So the reason why I like to use a compact mirror is because I like to look down on my eyelashes, so this way you can see where you're applying the eyelash. Okay, to prep your eyelashes for lash application, I always go in with the eyelash curler and curl my lashes up so there's something for it to hold on to. My lashes are completely straight, so I can never skip this step. And then last of all, just apply some totally lashed out mascara on your top and bottom lashes. Now for me, I do not need to cut it. It fits my eye perfectly. But for you guys with maybe less elongated eyes, you would need to cut it. So the way you would know to cut it is, say the lash is on here. Can you see how this looks droopy on my eye because it's coming out too far? So you would have to, so basically you would have to cut off the excess on the outside corner. So to cut your lashes, always cut from the outside, not the inside. So always the outer corner. I'm just going to cut off a tiny little bit, just about that much. Depends on the eye. Cut as much as you want or as less as you want. Okay, now to stick on the lashes, I'm just taking out the eyelash glue and applying a thin layer on the whole band. And I always put extra on the 2 sides because these are the 2 sides that are more prone to lifting. Once you've got that on, just wait 30 seconds for the eyelash glue to get tacky and then you can apply it on your eye. Okay, so now that this has been drying for 30 seconds, I'm just going to place the eyelash right in the center of my eyelid. Just like that. Simple. And then I just get the tweezers and connect each side. Now these lashes are dramatic, but I love them for nighttime, especially when you're being photographed. It really stands out and opens your eyes. Now look at the difference this makes, guys. This is why I can never leave the house without lashes. So I have Vixen on. This is one of our most dramatic styles. I also want to put on Baby Doll, which is our most natural lash. So this I am wearing Vixen, and this I am wearing Baby Doll. Now people always ask me, how do you remove eyelashes? It's so simple, guys. You can just pull it straight off. You basically just pull it right off from inside out. It didn't rip any of my lashes out, and now I can just store it back into my box. Okay, thanks for tuning in to our video, guys, and hopefully you learned how to apply our Lala lashes. They are available on our website right now, klaracosmetics.com. Just head over there and purchase yourself a glamorous set of eyelashes.